Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? I hope we are fine. Okay, before I explain the topic about bacteria, I want to introduce myself. My name is Hani Proditya Sitomorang and number ID 21130411011. Okay, the first introduction. Bacteria are most organisms simple and is a form of life the most on earth. One of an example of bacteria is cyanobacteria. This organism is considered as oldest living creature found in earth. Bacteria are organisms whose cell nucleus is prokaryotic, meaning the organism does not have a membrane nucleus or karyotes. The nucleus of the cells of this organism is only one molecule, DNA. Most members of this monomer group are unicellular and microscopic. Okay, next classification of prokaryotes. The first is Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria, namely organism unicellular, no chlorophyll, prokaryotes, live on that environment extreme. The characteristic possessed by Archaebacteria include: the first is the cells that make up the body are of the prokaryotic type. Next, has simple RNA polymerase. 3. Cell wall not a peptidoglycan. 4. Has no nuclear membrane and no organelle cell. 5. It is in the form of methionine. And the last, sensitive to diphtheria toxin. Next, based on their habitat, Archaebacteria are grouped into 3 groups, namely methanogens, 2 extreme halophyte like salt, and thermoacidophils like hot and sour. The first, metagonens. These metagonens are anaerobic or not require oxygen and are heterotroph. Can produce methane where it lives in mud, swim digestive tract termites, digestive tract cattle, human digestive tract, and others. Example, multipulmonary Lachnospira. This organism is capable simplicity pectin. The second, Ruminococcus albus. This organism is capable hydrolysis cellulosa. The second is extreme halophyte. Most of these microorganisms are aerobic heterotroph, although some are anaerobic and photosynthetic. With the pigment it has in the form of bacteriodipsin. Habitat in a high salt content environment like in the great salt like Salt Dead Sea or in saltitudes. The last is thermoacidophile. Archaebacteria are unicellular organisms, no chlorophyll prokaryotes, live in extreme environment. Thermoacidophile are microorganisms semi-autotroph that can use hydrogen as energy source. Second classification of prokaryote is Eubacteria. Eubacteria are also called true bacteria, equal to prokaryotic Archaebacteria. Possess characteristic by this bacteria include: is the first, have a cell wall containing peptidoglycan. 2. Already have cell organelle in the form of ribosome contains one type of RNA polymerase. 3. The plasma membrane contains lipid and ester bond. 4. Bacterial cells have the ability to secrete mucus to the surface of the cell wall. And the last, bacterial cytoplasm consists of protein, carbohydrate, fat, organic ion, chromatophores. There are also small cell organelles which are called ribosome and as nucleic acid composer DNA and ARN. Next is bacteria are divided into several groups, including: the first is based on how to obtain food, namely autotroph as well as heterotroph. 2. Based on the oxygen requirement is divided into aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. 3. Based on the means of locomotion, there are those who have means of locomotion in the form of a flagellum. There is also a flagellum. The last is there is a grouping based on the shape, rod, shapers, and spiral. Next, grouping of bacteria based on how to obtain food. Autotrophic bacteria. This type of bacteria can prepare food for their own needs by synthesizing substance in organic to organic matter. Example of photoeutrophic bacteria is green bacteria. These bacteria have a green pigment called bacteriophrygmus or bacteriochlorophyll. Two example of semi-eutrophic bacteria is nitrifying bacteria. The second is heterotrophic bacteria. This type of bacteria cannot convert inorganic substance into organic matter, so that it is for food purpose depending on the organic matter present in the environment. Heterotrophic bacteria can be divided into two types, namely, the first is parasite, is bacteria whose nutritional needs depend in other organisms, example Treponemes. The second is saprophyte, is bacteria that obtain food from remains organic substance, example Escherichia coli bacteria. Next is bacterial reproduction. Bacteria reproduce by dividing binary. Under favorable condition, bacteria divide by very fast, is between 15 until 20 minutes. So in the time one day, the number would be in the millions. The role of bacteria for life. Various beneficial bacteria include: 1 is Bacillus thuringiensis as a biological control agent for cabbage, cotton, corn, tobacco, and eradication mosquitoes, vector of malaria and dengue fever. 2. Rhizobium leguminosarum lives in root nodules, leguminosae, plant and able to fix free nitrogen from the air so it can fertilize plant. Another kind, Azobacter, is capable of fixing nitrogen. The 3 is Nitrococcus, Nitrosomonas, and Nitrobacter bacteria role in fertilizing plant. And the last, Lactobacillus bulgaricus, to make yogurt. Next is harmful bacteria, among others, such as 1 is Salmonella typhosa, the cause of typhus. 2. Shigella dysenteria, the cause of dysentery. Neisseria meningitidis, the cause of meningitis. Neisseria gonorrhoea, the cause of gonorrhea. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the cause of tuberculosis. Mycobacterium leprae, the cause of leprosy. Okay, until here about explanation. If I have mistake, I'm sorry. For your attention, I say thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.